What is up, YouTube? This is Zach, Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys are not a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. I am out here at a custom home build by Rhodes Builds in Fort Collins, Colorado, where he did a distributed audio Sonos system throughout the entire house with clips and episode speakers, as well as Sonos to control it all. And he even has like some other products like the Strong Rack and things like that that help just tie it all together. So I want to walk you through and do a quick little demo. If you guys would like to purchase anything home theater related, make sure to reach out and show your support. We would love the opportunity to earn your business. All right, guys, let's get into it. All right, guys, so before we get into walking you through this house and showing you a quick little demo of the speakers, this is the interface that you'll see whenever you have a distributed audio system from Sonos. I love this because it's just easy, guys. I mean, I have a lot of more sophisticated options available. If you guys do want to get into mega size homes, we have Savant and Control 4 and URC, but for the average consumer, I always say this in my videos, this is very hard to beat. You guys know I'm a Sonos fan. I mean, it just works. It's easy. So you can see he has all the different rooms laid out right here, and you can group those rooms together. So like, say you're entertaining, you're probably just gonna want it playing throughout the entire house, right? Like he has it right now, and that's how we're gonna demo it for you guys. But you can also control the volume to every single room throughout the house right here. But what's really cool is, say like on an average day, husband and wife are hanging out at home. Well, I know at my house, I don't always want to listen to the same thing as my wife. So I can go out on the back deck and I can get rid of those zones, keep my wife's music rocking and rolling inside the house, and then I can go and I can group together the other rooms. So then I'm out hanging out on the deck, grilling, chilling, listening to my music, and she's listening to her music inside. You can also do this with like sports and music. So you could have like a football game going on inside, and then you could pull that to the outside, or you could have the outside playing music and the football game going on inside. Or you could just have the football game going in the living room and kitchen, and then you could have music going throughout the rest of the house. Really, the options are endless here, guys. So I'm gonna quit giving you examples and just know that you can configure these rooms in any way that you would like. So we're gonna go ahead and fire up a song throughout the entire home and walk you through. So now we got Kenny Chesney playing everywhere. And you just turn it up like that. You got a 5.1 in this room with a Sonos Arc. This is the new one that has Atmos in it. So technically it's a 5.1.2 because their speaker is firing up right here. And they're also firing outward. There's speakers all over this bar. It's a sound bar. And then he's got a sub over here, the Sonos sub. Kitchen. Dining room, you hear how it just flows naturally throughout the entire house. You got a Sonos Beam. So you can see as you're entertaining, it's flowing throughout the entire space. So now we're outside, there's no lag, no delay. Right on to the other deck. These are the Episode All-Weather series, the Signature Series speakers. I really highly recommend these. They'll hold up to the elements outside, so you don't have to worry about them going out on you. All right, and then last but not least, we have the laundry room. You got to jam out in the laundry room, right? It's important to the vibe. It's quality of life, guys. As I always say in my videos, you don't have to have this stuff, but sure is nice. All right, guys, that is a wrap on my walkthrough of this custom-built home here in Fort Collins, Colorado. This is by Rhodes Builds, and I made a separate video. He is going to be a preferred contractor. He can do remodels, new construction, whatever you guys need. You can see this is a very fine built home. Now, the distributed audio system and everything audio video related you see in this space, home theater related, Dreamedia provides. And we do that throughout the entire nation as your go-to authorized dealer. So if you guys need anything, reach out and utilize our free consultation service. My audio video consultants would love the opportunity to put together a package that fits your exact needs and budget. We have all different price ranges to choose from, guys. Well, that's all I got for you. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and make sure to smash that subscribe button down below. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.
Oh my gosh, is that the Dreamedia van in my neighborhood? What? Wait, Dreamedia, come back! We need you!